Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Yeah, this is Eric Handy, and today I'll be teaching you how to draw the pattern for the insole of your shoe and also the sole of the shoe. Now this is the shoe last, and this is the first thing I'm doing is to place the paper tape at the middle of the bottom of the last, and just watch the process of how I tape the last. So you're gonna follow the exact process. It's a very simple way to do this. So once you follow the exact process, you will get it perfectly well. So make sure that they lay very close to each other so that the paper tape can be have a little bit of stamina. Yes. So and when you're pulling them out, it won't split off. All right. So you can see the way I'm laying them across one another, and so just make sure that they are laid very well. It's very important that you do this. You can do this for any of the shoe lasts. It's not particularly the shoe last. This is just a simple process of doing it generally. So if you would love to build your own shoe sole, this is one of the process that you can use to build your shoe sole. Okay, you can see that I'm already up and going on this. I'm laying it very well and making sure that everything works and lays perfectly well. So when I'm bringing that, it won't give me any issues. All right. So once you're laying, make sure that you check all the part and also use the paper tape to lay it back at the middle again, so you can seal it up. All right. You can see that means there's a paper tape at the middle and a paper tape on top. All right. So pick up your pencil and start sketching the edges of the edges of the last. Just make sure you sketch it smoothly round. Yeah, I'm gonna say that I'm sketching it very well. It's just round, very simple, and make sure you're using a very clear pencil at least, so that when you're trying to cut, you won't be having any issues with the cutting out. All right, so you can see there that I am doing this round, and I'm making sure that all the parts that needs to be traced is well traced out, and they're showing very well. And this is your main point. This is the point where of the last. Now this wider side of the last, that is where you create the wet pattern for the insole and the sole. So I mark that place out. That's just look at the last, the wide part of that last. That's when you start, and then you have a 0.5 measurement. 0.5 measurement. This is for the wetting. The reason why I'm doing this for the wetting, so that is where that was going to tell me where I'm going to start marking the size of my wet. Okay, so as you can see that the spacing I left there is 0.5. Remember, check it out very well, 0.5, and then use your cutter to cut it out from the edges where you mark. Please note, from the edges where you mark, that's where you will be cutting out. Make sure you cut it out is perfectly well. And when you're cutting, please be very careful. Please be very careful of your cutting so that you will not harm yourself. So as I'm cutting, I'm very, very careful. I'm not rushing myself to cut. It is very important that you take note of this information. Okay, so as you can see, I'm almost done with the cutting. Making sure that the exact places I mark, those are the places I'm cutting. All right, so it's going to give me a very good one. And you can see now I'm lifting up the pattern, the insole. Yes, exactly, that is the insole. Very simple. That's the insole. But now we'll be laying it on the cardboard paper. So let me just get the cardboard paper for you. Yes, this is the cardboard paper that I'm using. Just paper. Don't mind that it's rough. You can make sure that it's very smooth. So, but I'm still gonna use it anyway. So lay it on the cardboard paper perfectly well, and you can use something to just smoothen it up, because you know it was on the last, so it might be a little bit maybe puffed up. So you can I just use that to press it down and smoothen it off. So I'm using my pencil to trace the edges that might have some little bit of roughness. So I use my pencil to trace those edges so that everything will be smooth, and I will not have any gallops. All right, so tracing it round, and after tracing this round, just watch that the next thing I'm going to be doing is to cut it out. But let's just quickly trace this out. I trace it out very well, and it didn't give me any issues. Just make sure that you are not rushing yourself. You can do this over and over again, clean it up and trace it out. So let's just get our scissors. Then I'm gonna be cutting it out. So this is my scissors. Cut this out now. Cutting it out now. All right. So cut it out. It's gonna be straight. This is gonna be straight while cutting. It's because I already marked the traced it out with the pencil. So I'm gonna be having the smooth edges for the insole. So this is the insole for the shoe itself, not the sole. Please note, this is the insole, not the sole. So what I'm going to bring in, I'm going to bring in out the sole from this insole. Please note that I'll be bringing out the sole from this insole. So this, the main part, that's the part for the wetting where I already marked. I'm going to pick up my cardboard again. Then I'm going to be tracing it on it. I'm going to be tracing the whole pattern on it. Yes, I will be tracing this whole pattern on it. So just watch carefully. Now the first thing you're going to do is to measure your wet. This wet is the measurement of this wet is 0.2. Measure the width of the wet. Some wets are wider than this. We have to one of 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, depending on the wet that you're using, how wide it is. Measure it. Then the next step I'm going to be doing is to let us draw this out first. Let's draw it out first on the cardboard. I'm leaving some spaces on the cardboard. You can see at the side of the cardboard, I'm leaving some spaces so that I'll be able to mark out the wet. So I already marked out those parts where I need to mark out the inches for my wet. So now I'm gonna trace this, just join them together. What you did on the insole, I'm just doing this on it, transferring it. That's what I'm just doing. Now this is where the work begins. Just very simple. I already marked 0.2 for my wet. So that 0.2 that I marked from the wet, I'm going to look at the middle of that place I mark and see there. Then I'm going to start marking that 0.2 round just at the upper side of the sole of the sole. So just look at this. This is 0.2 that I'm measuring now. I'm measuring 0.2. I hope you understand this. Please, if you don't understand, please ask me questions in the comment section. I'll definitely respond. Okay, so 0.2 is going to go, but it's going to go just on the upper side. That's from the part whereby we started the wetting measurement from. That's where we're going to stop at the middle there. Yes, so the next one we'll do is to take another 0.1 just to give it a little bit of allowance for the resting of the shoe itself. So I measured 0.1 at the bottom of, just like an addition, 0.1, an addition to the insole, so this shoe can sit comfortably. So dividing 0.2 into 2, that's you have 0.1. So the remaining part going from to the bottom side of the last, we're going to be marking 0.1. So the upper side will be more wider than the bottom side of the last. That's halfway down the last. It will be more slimmer than the upper side of the last. So just watch this 0.1 measurement I'm measuring now. So I'm taking this measurement around the shoe halfway. Please note that halfway. Remember that we measure 0.2 upward around, and we're measuring 0.1 now. So this is just very simple. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how I built the sole. So watch my next video. Make sure that you stay tuned to watch the next video when I'm posting, and turn on your notification button. If you have not subscribed, make sure that you subscribe, and you're going to be watching a lot of videos that will help, because a lot of people are telling me they want to know how to build their own shoe soles. Because let me start from the pattern, because the pattern is the first thing that you need to understand. So you can see I'm tracing it down here right now. That's the 0.1 measurement that I took. This measurement here is 0.2. That's from the upper side. Like I told you, can see what I'm showing you. This is 0.2. Why the halfway downwards is 0.1. So the upper side will be more wider than the downside, because this side now is a bit slim because we just measured 0.1. So when you see all those soles that the one side is wide and the bottom side is slim, this is how they build some of them. Okay, so this is the measurement. I'm connecting the dots together as I'm just connecting, and once I connect them together, then I'll start cutting them out. And this is the cutting. All right, so you can see. All right, guys. So guys, if you have not liked this video, I would love you guys to like this video. I love you watch this video and don't click on the like button. Maybe you forgot. Please Make sure you click on the like buttons and comment if you have learned something from this short video. Make sure you put a comment in the comment section. Make sure you say something nice. Say if you have a question, ask me, and if you think I've taught you something, then let me know in the comment section. It's gonna be wonderful. So this is the insole and the sole. I hope you learned in this video. And this is the shoe. This is the shoe itself. I just had to just bring it out somewhere, and the insole and the sole. So thank you for watching. God bless you.